I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking my G.
What's up, YouTube? Got another video for you guys. Today we have the special edition 35th anniversary series, the DW5635C-4, which is part of the 35th anniversary Red Out collection. Let's check this one out, and I'll give you guys a little bit of history about the series itself. Here is the box, the standard 35th anniversary, Eric Hayes design, DW5635C-4. The 4 indicates it's a red model. Just a standard 35th anniversary box. Let's check out the watch. Put this to the side. Once again, the standard 10, 35th anniversary 10, 35th anniversary G-Shock, the cool Eric Hayes painted looking roll-on roller design. Seen this many a time, so we won't spend too much time, but check out this Red Out. Holy lordy. All right, so like I said, this is part of the 35th anniversary Red Out edition, and there were 5 models that were included with this collection. The first one was a AWG M535C-4. Then there was the DW6935C-4. Then there was a DW5635C-4, which is this one here. The DW5735C-4. And lastly, the GA735C-4. All 5 of these watches were released in Japan in January of 2018, followed by nationwide US release in February of 2018. The only model that didn't make it to the US was the AWG M535C-4. That was strictly Japan release. But let's take a look at this puppy here, because this one I think is my favorite of the series, along with the 6900 version, 6935. Let's check out some details on this beauty. I think it's one that is a must get. It's a matte red colorway. It's a little dusty there. Very cool. It looks like blood. I mean, the display, the bands, hard to capture in video, but it looks a very cool red. As you see there, it's got a nice red tinted negative display, or reverse display, I want to say. You can see that there. Nice cool red with the looks like silver lights or silver digital markers there. Alarm, timer, stopwatch, and that's all we have with the functionality. It's got black IP buckle here with the 35th anniversary 35 black IP buckle band keeper. But check out this back plate. Oh yes, 35th anniversary black IP, 3229 module, DW5635C. This is such a beautiful watch, guys. This watch retailed for $140 in the US. You cannot find this watch anymore under $400. Can you believe that? Under $400. That's how much this watch costs now. It's been 1 year since its release, maybe a year and a half, and it's hard to find, almost impossible at retail. If you guys find it under $400 and you want it, I'd say get it, especially if you can find it at retail. On eBay and those crappy websites, just be careful. There's a lot of fake ones out there, but they're asking $400 for this watch, and I mean, it's a beautiful watch, but $400? Holy crap. So yeah, there you guys have it. The 35th anniversary Red Out collection, DW5635C. Let's give this baby a little wrist love. See how it looks. Because this one's the keeper. Boom. Check that out. How about a backlight shot? The standard black. It's gonna be hard to see, but there you go. Ah, so beautiful. Turn the light off again. Look at that. Oh, that's sexy. That's so nice. But yeah, there you guys have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys up soon. I'll catch you guys very soon. Tongue twister. Just got back from vacation. I'm tired. Rock on with the G-Shock on. This is Chavo G-Shock Go. I'm out of here, you guys. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my superstar. I'm rocking my